I have no idea how much I should put.
Looks really disgusting. What's up guys? Welcome to our channel. Get along, get your mind. 講師の左半身です。さあ、Have you ever been on a diet? ダイエットってしたことありますか？ If you have, then check this out. Or if you're thinking about going on a diet, just check this out. さあ、今までにダイエットしたことある人、今から考えてる人、ぜひこのチャンネル最後まで見てください、OK? このチャンネルではですね、天才でもない普通の日本人の私たち右半身、左半身が留学経験1年未満しか行ってないのに TOEIC900 点以上っていう実績を出せたっていう知識をもとに面白くて楽しくてニヤニヤできる飽きないレッスンを提供しているチャンネルになります。まずはチャンネル登録の方を何卒よろしくお願い。じゃあ I'd like to talk about something, okay? Let's listen. All you do is just eat this superfood and you can take nutrients you need. You can feel full and you can lose weight.Wouldn't it be great if you had such a superfood? There is. It's called swamp. What? さあ、ここまで聞こえたかな？ OK。そしたら、今日はそう、swamp。日本語で沼を紹介したいと思います。そう、実は今ねちょっと巷で流行ってるのが沼レシピなんですよ。沼、マグマ、セメントとかいろいろあるんですけど、まあ楽なんですよ。なので今回はズボラ代表といえば日本一と言っても過言ではないこの私左半身が何度も失敗してきたダイエットなんですけども、あまりにも簡単すぎるということでおすすめしたいのでやっていきたいと思います。じゃあ実際に見てみましょう。どうぞ。
Originally, it was invented by a YouTuber who is a muscle builder. But actually, this time, I am following cookpad recipe. First, you put a half cup of rice. Then you put dried shiitake mushrooms and seaweed.
Then I have to put okra as much as I like. There's no instruction about okra, but I prefer I just wash a bit. And I have a friend who's already cooked this dish, and she said I'd better cut the edge off like this. And then, this could be softer, then it could be easier for me to eat. It's very sticky. I know it's not a great idea to wash okra, but I'm not comfortable putting this, without washing it, so I just washed it tiny a little bit. So I just put okra. Then all I need is chicken. It's very cheap. I don't know about other countries, but this is really cheap, I guess. It's about less than $2 for 262 grams. Then I have to remove the skin and like this. And I put it like this. Wow! Then all I need is this curry powder. It's my first time to buy this kind of stuff, like curry powder. Ooh, smells really curry. And there's no instruction how much I should put, so I just put as much as I like. Like this. I have no idea how much I should put, but I don't wanna eat disgusting one, so I prefer the strong taste first, because I have no idea what taste gonna be like. So all I need is just some water. I pour water like this. Wow. I think this should be enough. Looks
disgusting, isn't it? Not exactly, but I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. Okay, all I do is just cook, press cook button, and wait. Smells really good, but it looks not great actually. Looks a bit disgusting. And all I have to do is just wait another 8 hours or something like that with the heater on. You can cut chicken like this. Wow, it's very soft. Looks really disgusting. Let's see. Oh, it's really sticky. It's really heavy. I wonder what it tastes like. Wow, it looks really disgusting. Okay, it tastes curry and sticky. Maybe I need a little more salt, but it's eatable at least. How was it? Do you think you want to cook this meal once? Well, it tastes okay, so just try it once, okay? And FYI, he eats this food. He means, I'm talking about the guy who is in YouTube and, invented this recipe. He eats this food every day, every meal, once the contest he is joining is approaching. Okay, by the way, this YouTube has over 2 million views. Look at this thumbnail. Videos of reproduction recipes are posted one after another, and it is very popular among people who try to lose weight. さあ、ダイエットが気になった人はぜひやってみてくださいね。こんな感じでこのチャンネルでは、話題になってるニュースももちろん時々トランプさんみたいな政治的なこともちらっとやってみたりもしますけども、いろいろ英語が話せるようになりたい人にとって楽しく学べるようなコンテンツ用意してますので、ぜひまずはチャンネル登録といいねの方を何卒よろしくお願いいたします。Thank you very much for watching the lesson. See you in the next video. Bye bye!